guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing another killer combo. I feel like I haven't just sat down and done a killer combo in like a minute. I feel like it's been a little minute, but I have two products that I feel like are gonna go well together. I mean, I don't know because one of them I haven't actually used yet. So you guys already know my hair is cleansed, deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in already in my head because you know I put it on in the shower. So that's what I have, and I just put this plastic bag on top. These actually come from the Main Choice. I like them because they big. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take this off. It's still warm in there, so I know that leave-in is nice and penetrated. All I did was part it down the middle, clip it up. So that's all I've done so far. And the combo that I would like to do with you guys today is the Taliah Waajid green apple and aloe with coconut, and this is the Hold Me Down jelly. And I also want to pair that with my Style Factor Edge Booster. Y'all, my wash and goes always come out really bomb with this product. So this is like my go-to product for any of my wash and goes. So this is my go-to gel, but I'm going to pair it up. You guys know I like to double gel it, but do not double gel. Do not double gel unless you have moisturized your hair properly. If you guys don't know how to moisturize your hair properly, I will put a video below so that you can get all the deets on how to properly moisturize your hair. And I do have that video coming out about how to moisture train your hair as well, so that's coming up. I do have my hot water right here. You guys already know all of the things that I be mentioning is in my Amazon store. Y'all know this, and if you don't know this, you should know this, so look in the description bar below. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. And the leave-in that I have in is the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in conditioner. I've been out the shower for about an hour now, actually. Probably going on 2 hours. But anyway, this is what my hair is looking like. Looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and part the back section. So now that we have this back section already ready, look at my hair with the leave-in conditioner on. You can tell it's not a lot of definition. There's some frizz. So that's what the wash and go gonna be for. We gotta get some definition in here and get rid of some of this frizz, girls. So let me tell y'all a little bit about this Taliah Waajid. So they sent this to me just as PR package. They weren't sponsoring a video or anything, but they sent me their collection, but they sent it twice. And so it's, y'all know I'm a sucker for smells, so it smelled really good. It smelled like green apple. Oh, it just smells so good. Like, I literally can smell these products all day. But y'all know I am a sucker for a product that smells super duper good. And they sent their entire line. Y'all, I've used the shampoo today. I like everything in that line, but we're going to talk about that in another video. But in this video, we're going to be talking about jelly. This is the consistency. Let me show you guys. It's pretty thick, as you can see. Look. Very thick. So I'm gonna just go ahead and open both of these to get started. My water's ready. Both of my gels are ready. My hair looks very moisturized. So we are good to go. So now I'm gonna first start off by adding the Taliah Waajid jelly. And this is supposedly like a conditioning jelly. So it should be moisturizing as well. But it also has a hold on it as well. I like to just rake my products through. You guys know I don't really do shingling that often. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rake this through. Wet it some more. I want my hair to be drenched. I almost did not even do this in the camera. Like, I really wanted to just do a shower routine, y'all. I just been really feeling doing my wash and goes in the shower. Y'all know that's how I do, but for the sake of my job, have to come out here and do some stuff, you know. So that's with just the apple and aloe gel added. And I didn't go ham, you guys, as y'all saw. Like, I just took a little bit of that. It's really taming my hair pretty well, actually. So I'm gonna go in with the Style Factor as well. Just gonna put some of that in my hand. I'm gonna warm it up so that it's nice, warm, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that. Spray some water so that you can distribute it a lot better, a lot smoother, you know. Less product, more water. And this is what we looking like. All right, so we looking like it's nice and tamed. So y'all know how we do. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat this process throughout my entire head, and then we're gonna come back. I'm kind of excited, y'all, because I haven't done a wash and go out here in so long. Even though my wash and goes in the shower come out bomb, I'm hoping this one comes out bomb too. So, see you in a minute. I've applied all the products. I actually went and walked downstairs and all that, so it did dry up a little bit, but I did finish it up and I think it looks really good. I didn't put a lot of product up here. I didn't want it to be like too tamed. Here's what my curls are looking like. They look really good. They look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look for my hair. Obsessed, bitch. Okay, obsessed. You can't. You try. I see you try to keep straight face. You try to get straight face. I can see you like it, sir. You can't even keep a straight face. I see that. I see that. I see that you want to smile too, because if it did that, okay. Okay, so I do like the combo. Clearly the results look amazing. Now my hair is a little dry, okay? My hair is dry today. I feel like with this combo, I don't know if that jelly is just, because I haven't tried it on its own, remember? I don't know if that jelly is all good by itself and didn't need no help or what. But your girl is not mad. Anytime I use gel in conjunction with my Style Factor. What you say? You remember? I'm gonna keep bringing this shit up because you know I'm a little salty how y'all treated me when I said it. When I talked about oils a long time ago, y'all told me my hair wasn't gonna grow and wasn't gonna flourish. I wasn't gonna be a bad bitch. What happened? Y'all better listen to me. Nah, but for real though, it has been a crazy journey to get my hair to this point, but I feel like I'm finally at that stage where I'm like, I love the length of my hair. I love the shape of my hair. I love the color of my hair. I love how my curls are looking. I love how I have learned so much to be able to manipulate my hair to do what I want it to do. I don't even know how this became emotional. Like now I feel like we just became an emotional family, and I'm now talking to y'all about my hair journey, but this wash and go is bomb. We're gonna get back to the wash and go. We'll talk about the hair journey in another video, but look at this like volume that I'm getting. Look at this curls. Look at the perfection of frizz in this thing. Look at the shape. It just looks really good. Every time I use the Style Factor Edge Booster Gel, my hair just comes out really, really good. So your girl about to go and pick up some more flavors because I wanted to use the green. I was hoping they got a green one to go with the green apple. So I'm about to go get a green one. I'm actually about to go get a few. So just to recap, so we use the Taliah Waajid, and this is the green apple and aloe coconut nutrition hold me down jelly. I think I'm obsessed with Taliah Waajid. Don't tell her though, don't tell her. Or better yet, go tell her so we can get some sponsorships going, girl. In conjunction with this Style Factor Edge Booster and the pineapple scent, that is what I use for this wash and go combo. And I also use the Camille Rose water leave-in conditioner as my leave-in. So that was my only moisture. I would have just liked a little bit more moisture. I don't know what other product I would combine with this, but any product that you feel like is going to give you that nice moisture that you like. I do see, well, Taliah Waajid actually sent me an elixir and some kind of curl definer, which are two different creams, so they might actually be good with this combo. Just saying. But anyway, I hope you guys like these results, and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more killer combos and more chit chats or whatever you want to see, please go ahead and like this video. Give me a comment, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.